Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, and I posted earlier this week on my Facebook that I had a huge announcement, so here we go, right into it. YARNutopia has created a group on Facebook, and I would like for all of you to join. So it's called YARNutopia World, and it's our group for YARNutopia where we just share our love of crochet. It's for anybody it's all inclusive, so anybody who is a novice crocheter to a super advanced expert crocheter, we can all just join in the fun, and we will have monthly activities and events, and just a lot of fun things are happening in this new year. And I totally started this year out very slowly in January, and now February is coming, and I am just so excited to launch this group and have all of you join me. There are a few questions to answer, and then you're entered into the group. We'll accept you. It is a private group. We just want to keep it a safe environment for everybody to feel open and free to talk about crochet, anything crochet related, anything really yarn related. If you knit, if you loom, if you do any type of yarn art craft, share it with us in the group, and we can bounce ideas off of each other, and we can talk all things yarn and all things fun. And I just can't wait to share more exciting and inspiring projects with all of you through the group. It's called YARNutopia World on Facebook, so make sure you join me there. My mom is going to be an admin as well, and my dad will be there from time to time, but he mostly does the videos and YouTube work. So, but my mom will be there to answer any questions you may have as well, and she'll be hosting some of the activities with me. So I'm really excited about that. I don't know if a lot of you know, but my mom is kind of more a background kind of worker who does a lot of the admin work for YARNutopia. She does a lot of the market managing and also the designing of a lot of our projects. So big ups to mom. But yeah, she'll be joining us in the group as well. And then I did want to talk about Valentine's Day coming up, because we have the Valentine's Day puns. We're doing 7 new ones this year. So we have 14 days of Valentine's, 7 new ones this year. And I can't wait to share these new projects with all of you. Finally, tutorials gonna be uploaded this year. And I will also share them in our group, YARNutopia World. So I'm really excited about that. Another thing I wanted to mention in today's video, WIP Wednesday video, is that I got a notification that Would Be Fancy is having their 25% off sale for Valentine's Day that's ending on February 4th. The reason is because you can get your hooks on sale by February 4th, and then they'll be shipped to you before Valentine's Day. So you can buy something for your loved one, or for yourself, or for a galentine. You can get these hooks on sale. Let me grab one real quick, because they're super fancy and super fabulous. That's why they're called Would Be Fancy hooks. So here are a couple of them, a few of them I have here, and they're hand carved and ergonomic wooden handled crochet hooks. They're very lightweight, and there's left-handed hooks, right-handed hooks. There's international shipping for select countries that Etsy ships to, and also yeah, that you can get your favorite size hook in the wooden handle. They're hand carved then, and made to fit around your hand, basically. Like, it's great for if you have arthritis or want to crochet for a really long time. If you got that big project to work on, you can use this crochet hook and you won't have sore hands or anything. They're great. Anybody who's gotten one of these has really raved about them. Check out all the reviews, 5 stars. They're amazing. And I use them in all of my tutorials, so you should check them out. And the last thing Free Pattern Friday last week was a big success. Thank you to everybody who downloaded the free pattern that I had on my website for the 24 hours. You guys are great. If you haven't been able to get the Free Pattern Friday, make sure that you are signed up for my newsletter. One Friday per month, I choose a random Friday and I send you all to be able to sign up and get a free crochet pattern from my website as a printable download. So make sure to sign up for my newsletter. I'll put the link in the description of this video so you can sign up for the newsletter and check it out. I send out a newsletter probably once a month, sometimes twice a month, just to get you up to date in things that are happening in the crochet community. And all these things are so exciting. So thank you for watching. Make sure to join my group, YARNutopia World, on Facebook. It's like I said, it's a private group. So even if you don't do much on Facebook, you can come and just check in the group and say hi, whatever, and check all the inspiration and get into the activities that we have. We have some really exciting events and activities that we are planning. And yeah, it's really cool. And we want everybody to participate. And that is what I really want more in a group, is that, you know, we can be more interactive with you, and also it's just more of a connection. And yeah, you guys are all my friends, so I really like that we can connect more and get closer in the group. So make sure to join YARNutopia World, answer the questions, agree to the rules, and you're in. So that's exciting. Also, stay tuned for Valentine's Day and check out the Would Be Fancy crochet hook sale on Etsy and sign up for my newsletter so you can get Free Pattern Friday once a month and get my newsletter. So thank you all so much for watching. I'm really excited about this group launching, and I think that we'll have a lot of fun. Oh, and P.S. A lot of you ask about these fancy pillows behind me. These are called the Candy Swirl pillows, and these are a crochet pattern on my website. So if you go to yarnutopia.com and search for Candy Swirl pillow, these pillows will come up and you will see the video tutorial as well as the crochet pattern. I get so many questions about these pillows. They're so fun and whimsical and they're just awesome. So that answers that question from a lot of you. I hope you have a great rest of your day, a great rest of your week, and until next Wednesday, happy hooking!